The truth is that you don't have to carry any weight. The point, just listen, right? It's actually easier. It's harder for you because you get caught up in your feelings and you want to express yours too, and you should express yours, right? But it's also your responsibility, if you care at all, to pick your battles, to know when the right
Choose your
time, to bring the
battles.
right energy, to package your feelings in a way that's easy to receive. It's not just a woman you have to do this with. You have to do it with even adults out there in the workplace. It's not
That is true.
it's just the way we're set up as human beings, right?
Well, you will abuse it one way or
Yeah.
the other.
Even our
like-
little baby girl, if she has the same doll for too long, she discards it.
Oh,
If she
yeah.
sees a better doll, quote unquote, it's supposed to be better. It's not better. Even if it looks worse. With
It's
another,
brand new.
she wants to touch that other one.
Yeah.
Right? It's the way we are set up. So sometimes as a deliberate form of action, it's not manipulation, it's just you understanding how attraction works, right? You back off. What are you doing when you back off? You're not being manipulated because you should be busy with life too. You should have other things the individual thing that you do for yourself, right? Like if you're a woman, you go and shop a little bit, spend his money,
Self-love. Yes.
right?
Yes.
And if
Go
you're
buy yourself a brand new shoe,
yeah,
Swipe the credit card. It's okay.
and if you're a man, step out with your friends sometimes, go grab a coffee with somebody, a partner, something. Go, let's meet up for make some money together, right? When you come home, distance makes the heart fonder. And when somebody is already so smothered up so much in a marriage, because of many other issues that we also have and all these other things that we have going on, right? They may be in a place where they're confused. In addition to their personal trauma and all this kind of stuff, they need to go 500 miles away.
They have to catch their breath.
It doesn't make them a bad person. It makes them weak because you
They
have
need
to
to find
you have
themselves
to be in a
sometimes.
weak place to feel the need to do that within the context of marriage.
Right.
But being weak is not necessarily wickedness, right?
No,
I
it's
learned
not.
that from TD Jakes.
It's not.
And you have to know how to separate it too. And sometimes you just like, yeah, babe, take it. Yeah, sure. No, your woman should never take a trip. First of all, you don't really control that.
That is hilarious.
Right. If you already find yourself in a place where you have to block out from taking a trip, it's already bad.
It's already terrible.
It's
I'm
already
sorry.
bad. And you stopping her is not going to stop what is already on the line that's bad. Right? And is everything okay, babe? You shouldn't take a trip? Okay, we had other plans. Just back off, okay? Listen, this one is very delicate because it sounds like you just give women any pass. My point is actually you don't control anything if it's already that bad.
You think you're in control, but you're not.
Mm-hmm. You should learn how to use the trend of the ocean to swim in the right direction, right? When you want to swim in the ocean, right? You don't swim against the trend of the ocean. You would drown. You would drown everything you care about, right? Instead, you should learn how to leverage the trend of the ocean. Sometimes it looks like it's taking you this way, but you know how to go that way and still go in the direction you want to go. It's skill set. It's life. The feminine energy is chaotic by nature.
That's why.
It's what gives us. Sorry, babe. It's what gives us the creative energy that we love when we call it beauty, right? But the woman still needs you to bring the structure. But if you're busy trying to be feminine, you go straight angry because she needs to. This is what happens. So if she went to 500 miles away and she now wants to see you, the reason why I say is to maintain your own pace is because she's taking you for granted too. And you shouldn't be so easy to just come back. Because you'll be teaching her bad behaviors as well.
That's true.
You should take your time. If you like to see her, then see her. If you don't, if you feel some type of way, give it time. The heaven
Don't
is
be in
not
a
going
rush.
to fall out of the skies.
Yep.
Don't be in a rush to rush it. We went through something similar. Took our time, so you have to learn how to allow Mother Nature to work in your favor And that's part of you being intentional. You understand that you cannot control as much as you thought you could, but you leverage the power. So if she's gravitating towards you, take a phone call. Say, hey, babe, what's up? Let me think. Let me call you back. Don't be so quick to say yes to right? Because again,
don't be a simp, basically.
No, not being a simp. Not being a simp. I don't think being a simp is relevant. This is your wife. If we're talking about your wife.
All these languages that people throw out around, I'm like confused most of the time.
Yeah.
I think what men feel
being a simp means you're doing something for someone who's not responsible.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Well, thank you for clearing that. I get confused.
I know there's a bunch of stupid people using the wrong way too, so it's okay.
I think what most men don't realize is that you see how Mother Nature is.
Right.
That's exactly what a woman is like. If you understand
ups and downs, it's a struggle.
Nature,
I know it's complex.
If you understand that, you will understand women more, and you will even have empathy for women. We have moments, and there are times that it has nothing to do with you.
Yep. They're trying to figure it out themselves.
We're trying to figure it out. We just need you to be there to listen, not to tell us what to do. But sometimes men can come like.
So you're asking me to be a therapist?
No. Okay. Chill. Men can come like a captain save the whole. Like hold you. Like chill. I just want to talk. I want to vent to you. I just want to know you got my back. You're my support system. But those are times that some men miss it. In that moment, they'll be lecturing their wife like they're the fathers. No, you're not. You're not a father. You are the husband. You have to maintain your position. And you're a rock. A rock does not move.
You're supposed to be the rock. Yeah.
Okay? See, sometimes women say they want.
And I know you would like to be the rock too.
Exactly.
Yeah.
But we still need our men to show up as leaders. I'm sorry. You can be confused with that. Because, like I said, when you think of Mother Nature, just think of women.
Right.
That's how it can snow right now, and the next minute is raining, and you're like, what the heck is going on here? That is exactly how women. I know.
That's
myself.
most women.
That's most women. Let me not even generalize.
Right. There are some women that will come here and say, no, we're adults. We can think for ourselves. I know you too.
I didn't say we can't think for ourselves.
But for the most part, within the context of romantic relationship, this is going to play out. You're going as a man, you can feel confused and say, what the hell? She said something else yesterday.
Confused and be like, you know what? Right. What are you talking about? I want to understand more. Not what the hell are you talking about? Oh my God. And then it becomes chaotic.
Yeah. It becomes arguments all the time. They say, what are you trying to say? Because when you say you have to treat women like 5 years old in a romantic relationship, see, it's terrible. Don't compare women to children. Okay,
maybe I will not use it as I won't use the comparison of a 5-year-old. Because then that's when men turn into fathers. Yeah. And I have to remind you, you're not my dad, you know. I'm not a father. Yeah. I need you to be my husband.
That's why there is no absolute.
Yes.
There are moments that you really have to look at your lady as the princess. We talked about that earlier today.
Right.
There are moments, right, in real life that she's the partner. If you don't treat her like your partner, you're actually shooting yourself in the leg.
It will backfire.
Because you can't carry that weight. You're just going to destroy yourself, right? But when it comes to emotional matters, right, the truth is that you don't have to carry any weight. The point, just listen, right? It's actually easier. It's harder for you because you get caught up in your feelings and you want to express yours too, and you should express yours, right? But it's also your responsibility, if you care at all, to pick your battles, to know when the right time, to bring the right energy, to package your feelings in a way that's easy to receive. It's not just a woman you have to do this with. You have to do with even adults out there in the workplace.